Welcome to my Sunshine Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a very simple and very yummy scalloped potato layer bake. This is a fabulous side dish. It's also very healthy, it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free. It's so delicious, moreish and comforting. We eat this recipe a lot over winter and it's probably the most viewed recipe on my channel. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the thumbs up, or if you plan to make the recipe, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let's get cooking. This recipe is so simple to make. We need peeled potatoes. I use 1.2 to 1.5 kilograms of peeled potatoes, one large onion, about half a bulb to a bulb of garlic cloves. We need veggie stock. I've just cooked some on the stove top, or of course you can use veggie stock cubes. And then we just need some salt, oil and pepper, and that is it. If you love potatoes and yummy cheap dishes, this recipe is for you. First we need to prep the veg. The potatoes need scalloping. You can slice them on your chopping board. You can use the slicer on your grater or mandolin. This makes super thin slices. Or if you have a speedy vegetable slicer like I do, this makes super fast work of all the potatoes, 2 minutes and they're done. Slice your onion into rings on a chopping board or whiz it through the vegetable slicer. And the garlic, I like to slice the garlic exceptionally thin to spread it all over each potato layer. And that's it, all the veg is done. Now it's time to layer this simple bake. We need to spray a little bit of olive oil on the very bottom to make sure the potato doesn't stick. And then we just layer a layer of potatoes, a layer of onion, a layer of garlic, some salt and pepper, and repeat this process until all the potatoes gone. I always try and put the thicker potato on the bottom and leave the thinner slices to the top. Add a third of the onion and garlic and a good sprinkle of salt and pepper. This amount of potato in this 13 by 9 inch oval baking dish, I'm making 4 layers of potato and 3 layers of onion and garlic in between. You can add a few dry herbs, but go really easy not to overpower the dish. This is an ideal dish to teach beginner cooks because it's just so simple. Keep enough potato for the final and 4th top layer. You want a really good covering for the top layer as this gets so crispy and yummy. And we need 500 milliliters of vegetable stock, vegetable broth. I've got fresh from the stove. You can use veggie stock cubes if you prefer. 3 is what I'd advise. Normally my veggie stock is from the freezer, but today I had fresh because I'm shopping tomorrow. This is all my old vegetables. When you make home veggie stock, it's so nourishing. In this I've got seaweed, I've got leeks, I've got carrots, I've got onions, I've got garlic. It's so nutritious, I love it. A final layer of salt and black pepper. We need to give this a tinfoil lid so it keeps all the heat, the moisture and the yumminess inside. I bake this lovely potato dish for 1 hour on 180 degrees centigrade with its lid on. After 1 hour, I take the lid off, check the potatoes cooked with a fork, and spray a little olive oil and back in for about 25-30 minutes to get gorgeous and crispy on top. And when it looks crispy like this, it's ready. Enjoy hot or cold. Please hit the thumbs up if you're planning to make this recipe. Subscribe for more yummy vegetable bakes and recipes. And see you next week for my fabulously yummy mac and cheese and my mini cheesecakes. I have 4 flavors perfected. Have a delicious week. See you next time. Bye.